welcome to my kitchen. Today it's Valentine's Day, so I thought of making something sweet for my family. So I'm going to make a chocolate covered strawberry today. And this is the best time to teach our children how to share love and show caring for each other. So here is my helper Erin today, who's going to prepare this chocolate covered strawberry with me. Right, Erin? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at the ingredients what we'll need for chocolate covered strawberries. Here I have some strawberries here. I have washed it thoroughly and I have pat it dry, so there should not be any water on the strawberry, otherwise the chocolate won't cover on the top of this. So for the chocolate, I am using a Ghirardelli chocolate here, and I have used semi-sweet chocolate chip here, and here I have the same Ghirardelli white chocolate chip. I'm using half a cup of white chocolate chip here and 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chip. And for with that I'm going to use some oil, and I'll show you what to do with this oil here. So let's get started. Press the red subscribe button, should turn gray. Press the bell icon, select all. Okay, so for this part now we are going to put some oil. Erin, do you want to help me put some oil in the chocolate? Around a half a teaspoon. Okay, and now mix it together. The reason for putting some oil, like you can use any vegetable oil, this will give some glossiness on top of the strawberry and it wouldn't look dry. Okay, now the same thing we are going to do is with the chocolate chip here. We are going to put 1/4 teaspoon of oil and we are just going to mix it together. Okay, after mixing it, we are going to put this in the microwave at least for 1 minute, but we are going to stir after 30 seconds. Okay, now let's go microwave this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we are going to stir it again. And now again, I'm going to put this in the microwave. After 30 seconds, again I have put, so now total of 1 minute. Look, it has already melted. So I'm going to stir it nicely now. And I'm going to do the same thing with my white chocolate chip. Our melted chocolate is ready. Both are ready here. And here I have a parchment paper laid on top of this tray. So we are going to dip the strawberry and going to put it on this parchment paper. Okay, Erin, do you want to try first?
Sure.
Yeah, you can hold it and you can dip it in here. Help me. Roll it. Right? Good job, Erin. Now, and let it drip for a while, and then we'll put it here on this tray. You can put it, yes. Good job, Erin. Look. And then, you want to do more? Here. You can do more. Hold the leaves and then roll it over. And same thing I'm going to do with the white chocolate chip here. I'm going to hold the leaf and I'm going to roll it on that. Dip it properly. Make sure every part of the strawberry is coated. Okay, Erin, try and make a design on this white chocolate. You are better than me. Okay, done? Alright, so now we are going to put this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and it will be ready to eat. Here I have some leftover chocolate, so why to waste this, right? So I have some nuts and dry nuts and fruits here. I have raisin, some walnut, almond and cashew. So I'm gonna mix it in here. And do you wanna mix it for me?
Yes.
And I'm gonna mix same thing in the white chocolate chip here. And we are going to coat it with the chocolates. And I'm going to spread it all over on the parchment paper here. And again, I'm going to refrigerate this, and this will be ready to serve in 10 minutes. Oh, thank you, Erin. The chocolate covered strawberries are out of the refrigerator now, and it has completely dried up now. So, and then over here I have my dry fruits and nuts also covered with the chocolates, and it's ready to serve. Let's give it a taste test. All right, now let's do the taste test. And I'm going to give this to Erin. Happy Valentine's Day, Erin.
Thank you, Mommy.
All right, happy Valentine's Day, Ara.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to my dear husband.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mom.
Oh, thank you. Let's give it a try. Look at this. It's so perfect.
Tasty.
What do you think?
Tasty, very tasty.
You want to try the chocolate one?
You wanna try this
White chocolate?
Yeah.
It's super yummy. And it's healthy at the same time. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody! These strawberries can be kept in the refrigerator for at least 2 days. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my uploads. And thank you for watching. See you soon with another next recipe. Thank you. Bye.